Next question is question number 33. The question is, one of the importance of voting in democracy is that options, we have option A, it's less expensive. Option B, it ensures development for all voters. Option C, it commits citizens to the political system. Option D, it ensures winner takes it all policy. The right answer is option C. It commits citizens to the political system. Voting makes citizens to participate, to take active part in their political system. The right answer is option C. It commits citizens to the political system. The next question is question number 34. The question is, all but one of the following is not a symbol of political culture. All but one of the following is not a symbol of political culture. The question is that we should point out one of the following that is not the symbol of a political culture. Others are symbol of political culture. Let us go to the options. Option A, we have a national flag. Option B, the government. Option C, an anthem. Option D, the constitution. If you go through the options, you will find out that option A is a symbol of political culture. National flag is a symbol of political culture. Option C is a symbol of political culture. Option D is a symbol of political culture, but option B is not a symbol of political culture. So option B, the government, is the answer. Question is question number 35. Question is question number 35. The question is, all but one of these is not an agency of political socialization. Question is, all but one of these is not an agency of political socialization. In the options, we have option A, the constitution. Option B, the family. Option C, peer groups. Option D, schools. Political socialization refers to the process by which the citizens are educated on the values, attitudes, and beliefs of the political system. Political socialization refers to a process by which the citizens are educated on the values, attitudes, and beliefs of the political system. Through the political socialization, the citizens internalize the political culture of the nation. The political culture of the society is transmitted from one generation to another through political socialization. The following are the agents of political socialization. 1, family. 2, the school. 3, the peer group. 4, the political parties. 5, the mass media. 6, religious groups. 7, pressure groups. So the answer is option A, the constitution. The answer is option A, the constitution. The constitution is not an agency of political socialization. The next question is question number 36. The question says, the Atlantic Charter gave birth to dash. The Atlantic Charter gave birth to dash. The options, we have option A, Commonwealth of Nations. Option B, Allied Power. Option C, United Nations. Option D, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The right answer is option D. The right answer is option D, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It was the Atlantic Charter that gave birth to North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Question number 37. Question number 37. Which of the following is not a consideration in the formation of a federal system? Which of the following is not a consideration in the formation of a federal system? A federal system means a form of government in which governmental power is shared between the government at the center and the other component units, like in Nigeria. Options, we have option A, size of the territory. Option B, cultural diversity. Option C, population size. Option D, the number of wealthy leaders. To form a federal system, the size of the territory must be put into consideration. How large the country is or how small the country is will be put into consideration. Another factor that must be considered is the diversity of their way of life. That's the cultural diversity must be put into consideration as well. The population size must be considered, but the number of wealthy leaders will not be considered. So option D is the right answer. Question number 38. The question is, a country's foreign policy is foremost driven by. This question is question number 38. The question is, a country's foreign policy is foremost driven by. The options, we have option A, economy. Option B, natural resources. Option C, location. Option D, national interest. Option D is the right answer, national interest. The major program every country pursue in their foreign policy is their national interest. So national interest is the answer, option D. Countries, first of all, put into consideration what they will benefit before they will be involved or before they will engage in any foreign relation with any country. Next question is question number 39. The question says, the office of the Prime Minister The office of the Prime Minister in Nigeria was created in Option A 1960, Option B 1957, Option C 1954, Option D 1959. The right answer is Option B 1957. 1957 was the time the office of the Prime Minister was created in Nigeria, and the first Prime Minister was Tafawa Balewa. This question is question number 40. The question is, the first Nigerian leader who became the chairman of Organization of African Unity was the first Nigerian leader who became the chairman of Organization of African Unity was. Options, we have Option A, Tafawa Balewa. Option B, Murtala Mohammed. Option C, Yakubu Gowon. Option D, Aguiyi Ironsi. The right answer is Yakubu Gowon. Right answer is Option C, Yakubu Gowon. Remember that currently Organization of African Unity is known as African Union, AU. The name changed from Organization of African Unity to AU in the year 2002.